Hello everyone, something a little different here, a pack of unstable. Guess we just got to rip right through. Alright. Hammer Helper, go to jail. Big Boa Constrictor. Timeout, really different. Mother Kangaroo. Alright, Riveting Rigger. Secret Base, ooh, I love land cards. No-Made Engine. Staff of the Letter Magus. Old-Fashioned Vampire, Midlife Upgrade, Mary O'Kill, our rare, and a beautiful island. This is why I got this booster pack. And Optical Optimizer, uncommon. Division Table, another common, and our Elemental Token.